Well, hello, everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Bloom, Group Publisher of Roofing Contractor, and thank you so much for joining me for a special episode of the Best of Success podcast show. I am so honored to be joined by Ryan Chance, the CEO of SumoQuote. Ryan, thank you so much for joining me.
Jill, it is always wonderful to connect with you. It's great to be here.
Most definitely. Well, there's some really big news, Ryan, that everybody needs to know. It sounds like a pretty big product launch. So tell us, what does everybody need to know? What's happening at SumoQuote?
Yeah, this is our biggest product launch since we initially launched way back 5 years ago. So SumoQuote, we're really excited about this. We've launched a solar sales presentation tool as well. A lot of roofing contractors are trying to figure out how to get into solar. And so we had a lot of requests for it. So we wanted to make it very easy for them to include solar sales presentations along with the roofing sales presentations.
That is awesome. How exciting. Well, we know solar is such a big deal right now. Why is that? Why is solar making such a big push right now in the roofing industry?
You know what? I like to compare it almost to insurance, how insurance is such a massive opportunity for so many companies out there. Solar is kind of that insurance 2.0 where it has such revenue opportunity. If you think about a roofing job, and your average roofing job in the US right now is about $12,000, and you're thinking, 35% margins, gross margins and stuff like that, you're about $4,000, $4,500 profit you can get. With solar, just to sell the solar job and then to outsource the solar install entirely, it's 10,000 plus of it's literally 2.5, 3x of what you can gain from profit on it. So just from a revenue opportunity, solar is massive, let alone it's that perfect time of when a homeowner is interested in talking about solar panels being installed because they've got a brand new roof. The solar contractors that I've been talking with out there, they're so jealous of roofing contractors because roofing contractors have that lead and have that relationship at that perfect time. It's really just seamless as far as how those conversations should be happening.
Well, that is so exciting. And so how are the roofing contractors merging? How are they communicating with that solar contractor? Is that a relationship that you see growing?
Absolutely. Yeah. So you've got solar contractors out there called EPCs. And what they really focus on, a lot of them, is just that install. So EPC is engineering, procurement, and construction. So CAD drawings, designs, permits, and then, the electricians and the installs and everything else, all this headache stuff that roofing contractors, oftentimes it holds them back from getting in to solar. So part of what we're doing with our contractors at SumoQuote is we're vetting EPCs out there to make it all the easier for them to be able to adopt solar as well. So any SumoQuote contractor that's selling solar, we're looking to queue it up to make it as easy as possible for them to adopt it and add, again, this really exciting revenue opportunity for their business.
So if I'm a roofing contractor and I've been kind of thinking about solar, but I haven't quite really dove into the deep end yet, what's the first thing that every contractor should do to even get started?
Honestly, for solar, it's just getting down the basics. So we're going to be launching in the next week here. We're actually going to have an ebook that we're launching as well for the roofer's guide for getting into solar. So we're really excited about that. We want to help make it as easy as possible for roofing contractors to understand the industry, understand the opportunity. There's a bit of jargon involved, but again, it's very comparable to insurance, right? Insurance where you need to understand the RCV, the ACV, maybe a policy detail or two here and there, and how to work with adjusters and stuff like that. A little bit of that jargon and just a slight nuance to how a sale takes place. It's actually very similar with solar. There isn't that much. You're already doing, getting the lead, doing the site inspection, getting the measurements or design. And actually, EagleView has launched just a brilliant, beautiful solar design tool, which is fully integrated into SumoQuote as well. Again, just making it as easy and simple as possible to help roofing contractors get into solar and capture this opportunity.
I love it. Well, that's such big news, Ryan. Congratulations on the big product launch. We're really excited to help tell everybody about what's going on and especially tell them about the opportunities to get involved with solar. And thank you for making it so easy for all the contractors out there. If anybody has any questions, how do they reach you? Where's the best place to go?
You know what? The easiest place, and again, we're doing tons of stuff at once here. We've got a brand new website that's just been launched, SumoQuote.com. Hit that. You'll be able to reach out to us. And we would love to take you through a demo either on the roofing side and how, we became this sort of leading sales tool for roofing contractors, or on the roofing and solar side to be able to show you just how easy and seamlessly you can blend solar quotes and presentations directly into your roofing quotes now as well.
Sounds great. Well, we're really excited. And if anybody has any questions for us, it's roofingcontractor.com or roofingsupplypro.com. And while you're there, make sure you sign up for all our free content, especially our e-news, our website, so you can stay up to date on all the great interviews we're doing, especially like we are today with Ryan. But most importantly, stay safe and healthy, and we can't wait to talk to you soon. Thanks again, Ryan.
Thanks, Jill. Thanks, everyone.